Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're at the Pennsylvania Convention Centre, which is right behind me. It's absolutely massive, and this is the 2023 Philadelphia Flower Show. Now, I've never been before, but I've been really honoured to be helping work on one of the stands here, the Bill Schaefer stand. So with Bill and Chris, and we were doing basically cotton candy, so a real sweet inspired floral design experience. But the whole show is absolutely amazing, so we're going to go in, we're going to have a look. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to have a little videos and it's going to have some stills of what's all on. There's lots of things, so sit back and enjoy, have a cup of tea, and let's go and see what's in the show.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
So thank you for watching our video. I hope you really enjoyed having a look around the show. It's been an amazing experience and we've really loved every minute. So from the food to the flowers to the people, the friendship, it's really been a great time. So thank you for watching. We've got new videos every week. Click here to subscribe if you've not already subscribed. We'd love you to join us for our next video, and we hope you've really enjoyed a little day out and seeing something different. So until then, take care and we'll see you soon.